be really frenzied, really rushed, because I am late, as your girl always is. I try so hard to be on time, and somehow I end up fashionably late. So today I went ahead and just did a get ready with me. I am going to my close friend's brunch for her birthday, or to celebrate her birthday. Her birthday already passed at the time of this video, but like I said, we're going to brunch. So I did outfit. I show you guys my makeup, and I did my hair, but because it's in this style, I just went ahead and kind of did it because I didn't know how my edges were gonna turn out, and it's really just me putting half of it up with a black like hair tie that I normally use for puffs, and that's it, girl. So you won't see too much in depth in hair because it's in a protective style. But other than that, I give you full face, okay? We give you outfit, and yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It would help your girl out a lot. I would appreciate it. If you are a member of the Trice tribe, okay, and you are returning, thank you so much for stopping back in to see what we got going on this week. We appreciate you. We love you, baby. We see you. We see you. And if you are new and you're just checking me out to see what I'm about and what's going on, again, I am Trice. I hope you decide to stay and become a member of the Trice tribe, because girl, we have fun, we have chats, we get beat, as you can see. Okay, we do hair. It's a good time. You don't want to miss out. So go ahead and hit the red button if you are interested. Like I said, we appreciate you as well. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this look. Talk to your girl. I like to interact with you guys, so let me know. But yeah, I don't have much time, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. So if you wanna see how I got this full, pretty brunch look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Ooh, girl, we are serving you mushroom, okay? But I start off by taking my vitamins. So I take the Goalie apple cider vinegar and my elderberries. Each day I take 2 of each. And now I'm just going in and washing my face. I'm not gonna get too specific with this because, yeah, skincare stuff may come later, but this is just me getting ready. So this is not a skincare routine, girl. But I'm just washing my face and putting on the stuff I normally put on. And then I'm going to be hopping in the shower in a sec, because before I go anywhere, I have to take a shower. That's just how I roll. That's just how it goes. But now we're brushing teeth. Yes, Oral-B battery-powered toothbrush and Listerine. Look, Listerine and toothpaste are a combo. They work together. They are not rivals or enemies. Now I'm just doing a lip scrub to make sure that when I put my lipstick on later, nothing's crusty. And I have a toothbrush for getting off dead skin, clearing that up, putting on some Vaseline, because that's the only thing that don't break me out. Alright, so now hair is out the bonnet, and I just have it in my crochet twist, and I am just putting some aloe vera juice throughout my scalp to kind of wake it up and refresh it. And then I'm just going to be putting on my oil blend. So it's a mix of castor oil, tea tree oil, sweet almond oil, and I just have it in this bottle that squirts directly on my scalp. And I just give it some TLC before I do my styling. All right, y'all, don't mind my messy bed. I was doing some laundry and I just got out of it, so it's not made, whatever. Anyways, this is what I'm thinking about wearing. So I have some Levi jeans, and then I also have these Levi jean shorts. This is a brunch situation, so I did want to wear a nicer shirt. So I got this from the thrift store and I love it. It's giving me fall, but it's still giving me light and breezy. Okay, so I want to wear this shirt for sure. I have a look that I want to do, and I'm just going in between the jeans and the shorts. And so, oh, these are the shoes that I want to wear with it. So I'll let you guys know what I do, but I'm about to put my clothes on because we need to get to makeup. Go ahead and prime your lids with the Ruby Kisses HD Concealer in Warm Honey. And then I'm just going to pat that in. This is a normal step, nothing new. If you've been here before, you know this is typically how I set my lids. And I just put some translucent or banana powder on top to make sure nothing is sliding and gliding. Now I'm going into my e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer in Always Spicy. And I'm placing that outer corner and crease. So we want this to be soft but warm at the same time. Y'all know it's at this point for me it's fall, so I wanted to kind of match my shirt but give the girls warmth for the day. So I'm just throwing that blush all in my crease and just blending that out with this fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go into Auntie Jackie's palette and use the color Ginger to blend out the lines or edges with the blush I just put down. So just gives it a little bit more color, a little bit more warmth. And then I go into that light shade in the Tammi Revolution palette just to kind of give a transition between my brows and my shadow. And I'm plucking some extra hairs because and then I went into this other orange shade in the Jackie palette. And then I'm going on my lid with this shimmery shade from Tammi. So we're going Jackie to Tammi, Jackie to Tammi, okay? It was a black girl magic moment doing this makeup because I was using two black inspired palettes. So then I'm going into Credit and using that in my crease for depth. Y'all know that's my word. And dimension. And just blending that out. Not doing it too harshly, but just enough to kind of create some contrast. So the name of the game is just blend. Now I am taking my Milani matte liner. Girl, this is matte on sight. And I'm not doing a wing. I'm just doing a line across my lid to help my lashes sit. And that's pretty much it. You can do a wing if you want. But girl, I was not feeling a wing this day. So now I'm taking my Miss Lashes. Per the usual, y'all know I wear these and I just get different styles from the beauty supply. So I cut those and then I put some glue on them, put them on the side to let them dry a little bit and do their thing. I am priming my face with the e.l.f. Jellypop Dew Primer. And now we're popping on our lashes. So I always kind of do this while mine are still a little wet. Say what you want, but this helps me have more flexibility when moving them around. If I don't like the way they're sitting, they didn't dry all the way, okay? So that's just a little trick that I have. I don't let them get fully dry. Now I'm just going on top with my, oh girl, what is this? My Revlon Colorstay foundation. There we go, in 400 Caramel. And I am putting that all over my face with this brush. I wanted full coverage, so I used the brush instead of my sponge. And pop, here come edges, slick. Hey. So then I'm just going on my forehead with the same foundation. I put it on my hand first because I don't like too much on my forehead near my edges and baby hairs. So now I'm just using that same Ruby Kisses concealer in Warm Honey to highlight my face, along with this Maybelline Superstay concealer, and I think this is Cafe, and I put that on top, and I'm just blending that out with the same brush. This brush still has a little foundation on it, which I don't mind because it helps everything look seamless. So yeah, just blend out your concealers and take your time. I know I was in a rush, but you want to make sure everything is blended. So then I'm going on top with my, oh, I think I used the black Radiance banana powder. I did. Then I'm going on top with the Makeup Revolution banana powder and Banana Deep in the same areas. Now we're going to hit this face in the area around my mouth and my nose with this black Radiance Pressed powder in Beautifully Bronze or Beautiful Bronze. Yeah, that. So then I'm going on top of my nose with my banana powder. And then I'm going around my face first before I contour with this bronzer from e.l.f. The Primer Infused Bronzer in Constantly Bronze. And this just really helps everything look seamless. Make sure you get your neck because you don't want to be clocked out at brunch. Okay, that's not cute. So then I'm going on top with this darker shade in the Nicka K Contour Duo. I'm not really using nothing new, y'all, because again, your girl was in a rush and I just used whatever was on my makeup table. So then I'm contouring my nose with that same powder from the Nicka K Duo. Then I'm going underneath my contour with my banana powder mix just to kind of make everything a little sharper. Because we have chunky cheeks. Yes. So they're cute, but I want to look snatched while I'm eating chicken and waffles. So I'm going underneath my eyes with the same colors we used on top. So I used Credit from Auntie Jackie, and then I put my bronzer down there, and then some of Ginger. Ooh, girl, I couldn't think of it. So now I'm going in my waterline with this black pencil, but I'm only going to the middle. And then I'm using the same blush we used earlier, the Always Spicy, to blush my face. We are blending our lashes with the false lashes with this Maybelline mascara. This is the one from the 90s that your mama, my mama, everybody's mama was using, except this is a big wand. So I did my top lashes and I'm defining my bottoms. Now it's time to dust away, okay, all your sins and transgressions, just like the Lord does, all right? So take your big brush and just brush everything off. Make sure everything is blended. Then I'm going on top with this Ruby Kisses bronzing highlighter situation. Ooh. Yeah, I got this from a beauty supply a long time ago, but I am just highlighting my face in the normal areas. Then I'm just drawing on faux moles with that Jordana pencil. And I've started to put one on my nose. If you've been here a while, you know I used to just do forehead and upper lip. Now we're going to set our face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And this was a new bottle, so it really just went ham on me when I first sprayed it. But I'm fanning myself with my Shop Miss A fan. And then I'm just patting in a little bit of it so it makes it more seamless than how it came out the bottle. So now I'm just defining my lips with this lip liner from Ruby Kisses in brown, and then I'm going to go on top with a NYX Lip Lingerie in Beauty Mark. And this really went well with my eyes. I was so pleased with how this came out, so love this combo. Then I'm just patting my face to make sure everything is seamless. Fix your hair, girl, and I just decided to go with some silver hoops because why not? Thought it was really cute. And then I'm going in with my 1994 necklace and my Queen necklace. I got both of these from not Shop Miss A, girl. I got that from Shein. All right, y'all, so I'm about to head out, but I went with the shorts. Ooh, yes, we went with the shorts. So yeah, it's a little warm still for jeans, and I thought it looked really pretty. I have on these sandals. I have my heels. I might wear them, I might not. I know I showed you guys, but girl, depending on how parking is going and how I'm feeling, my sandals still go really cute. So that's what they look like. Yeah. So yeah, that is kind of the full outfit. And yeah, that's a full outfit. Okay. Okay, y'all, I have not yet ordered my full-length mirror, but these are the shoes that I decided to pair with my outfit. Yeah, so these are the shoes. I got these from Five Below. They were literally $5, but I love them. Such my style. They actually are very comfortable too.